Hello everyone and welcome back to another great project. In this video we will be looking at Cryptopia. It's a blockchain driven metaverse project, guys, and it's really huge. We will start with their website and then check other details about the game. At the end we will play the beta testnet. Project is really cool, but first let's see their teaser for you to have an idea about the project a little bit. Okay, let's go.
Another mysterious white paper has surfaced.
Presents some fairly radical ideas. A city-state based on the blockchain.
There's just no way.
It's a chance to reset society itself.
Cryptopia.
Welcome to Cryptopia.
Welcome.
Join a groundbreaking blockchain metaverse. Locate resources, construct, harvest, and generate energy to power your DeFi empire. Whether you're a crypto savvy or a beginner, it's
We can
easy
see
to
the
play
characters here.
and earn.
Cryptopia will be an industrial miracle.
Enough of this! Our progress can't come at the planet's expense.
Outrageous!
This is a really great introduction to the project
Use
and
NFT loyalty cards to protect your interests.
play to earn 100% blockchain integrated crypto.
Cryptopia.
Really
Make your early access
cool.
ship now.
Really cool, and I hope you like that also. Okay, a world based on the last revolutionary white paper. A few years after Satoshi Nakamoto's Bitcoin white paper changed the world, another white paper of mysterious origin created a stir. Satoshi's work states that the world is due for economic collapse due to its reliance on fiat currency. It will take only one crisis, such as climate change, to unleash an unmitigated global catastrophe. His startling proposal, Cryptopia World, a nation based on the blockchain, a new society, will serve as an example for all others to follow. You can also go and check this from the links down below. In the description part, I will be giving you all the links about the project. Okay, Cryptopia is an independent city-state society based on the blockchain, where citizens can buy, sell, vote, and perform other essential activities using a safe, secure, and transparent system. Additionally, as a sea-standing city-state, Cryptopia lies outside of any existing nation's borders, allowing its citizens free reign to experiment and create the community they want for themselves. Cryptopia has become humanity's haven, the reboot of society the world needs to survive. I told you, it's a huge and really big project. Rise of the factions. Not everyone interprets the new society the same way. Some believe Cryptopia was meant to create fantastic world, while others saw an opportunity to start fresh and save the environment. Still, others believed that essential policies should be based on technology, while others argued they should be made with the people's consensus. Inevitably, this disparate agenda splintered the citizens into four factions. Each group appointed a member to serve as the face of their faction, who would speak on their behalf and mentor new members. And we can see the factions. These are the roles. Which side will you take? There's an industrial faction, Peter Nolan; tech faction, Sam Clark; eco faction, John Smith; traditional faction, Jane Brown. In the game I will be choosing Jane Brown, but I can also go with the tech faction. Get ready for the game. Will you be the next Cryptopia T-Con? Welcome to Cryptopia, a person world, open-ended multiplayer strategy and role-playing game that provides a solution to the problem of our unstable world economy. Built entirely on the blockchain, gamers can enjoy the security, visibility, and other benefits of this technology while having fun, creating their own ideal society. And guys, in the game there is something different like that. Your Cryptopia account is your wallet, non-custodial with a baked-in multi-site feature. It functions as both an in-game and dedicated standalone wallet. The current blockchain gaming user experience is complicated, similar to the early internet. Our integrated wallet is the solution for large adoption. It's really great and it makes everything easier. I know we'll be able to trust them, and also I will show you in the game, guys. We will transfer, swap, buy and sell directly from our wallet. There is multi-site security, 2 out of 3 signatures, and built-in NFT deck, and blockchain made easy for everyone. We can also get early access. With this early access, you will get early access to our public beta on the testnet from Q3 2022, and you will be the first to explore Cryptopia on the mainnet from Q2 2023. Get an amazing special edition ship with better starting stats. Don't miss out and claim land ahead of the rush. Get a chance to explore the world of Cryptopia and strategize ahead of launch. We can see some of them, and there's an explanation of eco. The future is nothing without the earth, and this is what Earth's displays will wholeheartedly protect. And tech is here, all the details. The future isn't here. Industrial is the luxury that few can afford and many can't fully grasp. And about the traditional, they all have characters. The start of the new civilization begins with inhabiting Cryptopia. Like farmers searching for new land, people have settled in Cryptopia to build a new life and tradition to start a clean state. This is like that. You can go and get some Cryptopian early access. There's the introduction and the features of the ships. This is the Cryptopia on the OpenSea. We can see the prices. There are lots of, more than 1,000 items. Traditional one, Cryptopia Metaverse ships. It's really exciting and really huge project, and the partners are here, lots of partners. Also, they have a blog where they share detailed articles about the game. You can see Cryptopia may update, and the setback from gas in blockchain gaming. What is Cryptopia's solution? What is your strategy? You can go and check those articles. This is perfect FNQs. What is Cryptopia? It's a blockchain-based Defi Metaverse game. The game is serverless, and all information is stored on and read from the blockchain. The game has elements from the so-called 4X genre, like civilizations and settlers. Big difference is that the 4X is absent. There's no extinction in our game. There's competition between 4 factions, but no faction can be wiped out. It's all about explore, expand, and exploit. What do you need in order to play? Nothing. When you create a game account, your multi-site wallet is mined. Since this is a multi-site wallet, you can store any ERC20 compatible token. This is why we call it Metaverse DeFi game. We can bridge to other projects in our game. Not only projects that are on our native chain. Currently they plan Polygon, but also other chains. For example, we have very nice chats with the Avalanche team who can help build a bridge, which is cool and perfect. You can see they have great plans for the future. It makes them promising. Do you need an expensive NFT to play? No, absolutely not. Unlike other DeFi games, you can also earn tokens without an expensive NFT. The game is free to play and play to earn. Free to play is an important aspect. You don't need an expensive NFT. Cryptopia is not a game where only the first ones can earn while raising the barrier to entry. Every player can earn in our game, rich, poor, and in between. How you go about is up to you. Invest your time or your assets, or both. Player can stake other players. Of course, early access is great and gets you some advantages, but it doesn't make the only first ones earn. Okay, so there are NFTs and tokens. Yeah, all items in the game are tradable. There are fungible tokens for resources and products like oil, gold, glass, and plastic. There are also non-fungible tokens for items that represent ownership or uniqueness. For example, ships, blueprints for construction of buildings, and title deeds. Though rich players have an advantage, yes, it's relatively easier for them to acquire the more expensive NFTs. However, players can pool resources in Cryptopia. Through a series of smart contracts, you can agree upon the distribution of returns, profit, etc. Are you related to the Cryptopia exchange? No, we have nothing to do with the Cryptopia exchange. Are you a victim of the hack? We are very sorry to hear that. For the latest information on the claims process, please visit the website of the liquidators here. Do you have NFT for sale? Yes, we have a limited amount of early access NFTs. This will give you early access to our public beta on the testnet from Q3 2022, and you will be the first to explore Cryptopia on the mainnet from Q2 2023. For more info, go here. They say the mint page they meant. This is perfect. I hope now you don't have any questions in your mind, but if you have, feel free to ask them in the comments. Or you can also join their Discord, their community, to stay tuned and learn more about this project. Also, they have great videos on YouTube channels and also the Reddit. They have nice shares here also, and the Twitter. Okay, let's meet the team. Together everyone achieves more. There are lots of people. They're working on this great project. We can see the old pictures here, so it makes them promising. They did a really great work, and let's see the roadmap, guys. Q4 2021 private sale is done, and marketplace and wallet Q1 2022 private sale NFT marketplace, the half of it. Q2 2022 gameplay, navigation, world maps, game resources, and player profile. And on Q3 2022 wallet start public sale, prepare for public beta testnet, start public beta testnet. The tokenomics. Cryptopia token is the in-game token of Cryptopia. Has a fixed amount of 10 billion CRT. This means that our token is deflationary by nature. The more players there are, the higher the demand for CRT, and thus the higher the value. And there is 40% in-game token, 5% for partnerships, 2% for public sale, 10% liquidity pools, 23% for private sale, and 20% for the company treasury, guys. We already checked the FNQs, and it was all in their website, guys. Let me show you the testnet. Now, at first, you will choose your side. I'm going with traditional.
Welcome and good to see you. I'm very happy to shake your hand. Jane Brown at your service. Please allow me to orient you about the unifiers. How may I call you?
You can call me Daya. Claim. I created an account, guys. Now I confirm that.
Welcome. What a pleasure to have you on our
team.
team. We unifiers are all about bringing people together, then setting and meeting goals through teamwork. It takes time consulting with people and getting a clear picture of their will. But we believe history will prove us right in this regard.
Guys, this is the main page of the game, and we can see the profile here is say welcome back Daya. We will see the auctions and proposals here. What is new? They show the news here. And the ships, learn about buildings, learn about, join our Discord, follow us on Twitter. When I click the wallet, you can see Ethereum, Cryptopia token, the in-game token, the gold or carbon, glass, what you have, steel, stone, everything. You will be able to see everything here, loyalty cards, and title deeds. We will also see them, but not for now, okay? There's a description here, and you can see my username and wallet, and there's an XP level 1, Ethereum, and the time you pass. My avatar here, I can change the hairstyle. Yes, let's go with that. Hair color, eye color, here and pants. These are great details, guys. An accessory, the pet. Now let's enter the world.
As an African proverb goes, if you want to go
Ready to enter Cryptopia? Great job! Once you complete this final track section, you will obtain all the benefits of a citizen of Cryptopia. Confirmed and preparing for your journey, they say. Now, this is my ship, guys. When I clicked on it, they say there's a you're on your way, okay? Okay, let's go. There's another ship here. And Frank, they all have the names. Peacemaker, Thor, these are real people. And Metaverse, we can see. Oh my god, it's really cool. I like that. Meta giraffe, and there are some animals you can see. Let's check all the map like that. Of course, this is like that for now. In the future, it will be a lot of things here. Okay, when you click the different zones on the map, it gets you there. You can see I'm clicking all the corner of the map, and I'm here right now. Okay, it is how we see the game for now. It's just a little piece of it, guys. Okay, guys, it was all about the Cryptopia. I hope you like this project and the details of it. I know it's really exciting, and I want to see the future of the project as soon as possible because I will also play it. Thanks for watching this. Thank you for your time. See you in new videos.